What it do? This is a little research on. I was doing a video on my Pioneer SX-3800, and I'm here. I had told you I was going to replace my RC jacks, and I was going to replace my speaker wire. I couldn't use the banana plugs. I don't know why I thought I could do that, but my system is not set up for banana plugs. So, I had that issue with, I think only the left side was playing, and I'm just coming to you with a short video of how I fixed it. But I was doing a rehaul of my RCA jacks, which I replaced these that go to the equalizer over there. That's the equalizer on top right there. Then those are my speaker wires there coming from my receiver. Then I got it going to the back of those speakers there. And on the back here, I replaced that. So now we're going to see that solved the issue. Just got moved everything around here. Just excuse me for the mess. Yeah, because I had that problem with my receiver here. I'm just going to turn on the equalizer.
Famous Footwear even has fit experts in store to make sure you get the right size every time. So, for the perfect fit, make it Famous. Plus, right now, buy one, get one half off when you shop your local Famous Footwear or Famous.com. Pollutions apply.
Some people just know the best rate for you is a rate based on you. And look at you, head perfectly on the wheel. Not like the driver to the right of you who's really going after that drum solo. Save with DriveWise on the Allstate app and only pay a rate based on you. Not available in every state.
Now you can see the
rating factors and savings vary, and in some states your rate could increase.
right side is playing.
Fire and Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates, Northbrook, Illinois.
Left side is playing.
What would you do if you could confidently face every day
So I solved that little issue.
Would you sing along to your favorite song at the top of your lungs? Turn off the GPS.
I'm gonna turn it off here before I get a copyright infringement. And this is another solution I use for my contacts. What it is a WD-40. It's a contact cleaner. It's a quick drying contact cleaner. What you do is you get it here, you just spray it inside. Just hit your contacts here. And it should stop any issues of you having like a sticking contact or something, or you having a issue with just trying to get your speakers to straighten out here. This is a good product here. I just got this from Walmart, and as you see, it solved the issue.